Combined alerts is a unique NVR feature that allows reactions to be triggered only when multiple events occur simultaneously. In other words, a response is generated only if two detection events happen at the same time. For example, a reaction to human detection in a sterile area will be triggered only if two cameras detect a person in that same area simultaneously. This provides an effective double verification mechanism for the event. The NVR allows us to create various event combinations to build this type of combined alert logic. For example, to implement double verification, we can combine an alarm-in signal on the NVR, triggered by an LPR camera detecting an authorized license plate, with face recognition of the driver. When these two events occur simultaneously, they can be used as a trigger to perform an action, such as opening a gate via the NVR's alarm output.
Let's see the combined alert function in action. In our NVR, we have two cameras with sterile area analytics enabled. While these cameras are positioned differently, they both monitor largely the same physical space. In this scenario, when a person enters the sterile area of only one camera, no reaction is triggered. A response is generated only when the person is detected simultaneously by both cameras within the overlapping coverage area. Only then does the system trigger a reaction to the event. To configure this function, go to General Events and select Combined Alerts. There, choose the first rule and begin defining the two events that must occur simultaneously. Let's select sterile area detection on both cameras we reviewed earlier and save this configuration. Once that's done, we can define the response to this combined event, such as activating the buzzer, playing a sound notification, displaying a full-screen pop-up, and other reaction options we covered previously. We can see that when a person enters only one sterile area, no reaction is triggered. However, when the person enters the area covered by both cameras and both rules become active simultaneously, the NVR responds with a full-screen pop-up.
Please leave the area. Please leave the area. Please leave the area.